Let's make homemade pretzels. To the bowl of a stand mixer fitted with a dough hook, you're gonna wanna add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 1/2 cup of warm water. Now add 2 teaspoons of kosher salt and 1 1/4 teaspoon of yeast. Mix well and allow to sit for 5 minutes until nice and bubbly. Now that our dough is nice and sunny, we're gonna add 3 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. Now place 1/4 tablespoon of unsalted butter into your microwave. Now to that same bowl, add the butter. Now put that sucker on the stand mixer and start mixing it at a low rate. And while that's mixing up, let's have a little dance party. Make the time pass. Our dough should be looking a little bit something like this. Now, lightly flour your workspace. Now, you're gonna knead your dough into a nice smooth ball. I don't lie when I say this is some of the softest dough I've ever made. Go ahead and grease your medium-sized bowl with any preferred cooking spray. Now we're gonna transfer our dough into the bowl. Allow your dough to rise until doubled in size for about 40 minutes. While we're waiting for our dough to rise, you know exactly what time it is. That's right. Clean up time. Come on. Go! Oh! Let's preheat our oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit on a bake. Small container, add 1 egg yolk and 1 tablespoon water. Mix this up and this will make our egg wash. Now that our dough is fully risen, we're gonna divide it into 6 quadrants. Now that we have 6 different dough pieces, I'm gonna show you 2 ways to make these pretzels and put Annie Ann's to shame. To a pot, add 2/3 cup baking soda. Use about 10 cups of water and bring your pot to a boil. Choose one of your dough balls and roll it out into a long rope-like structure. We're gonna roll our dough pieces into a long piece like this. Now we're gonna divide this piece into 1-inch long pieces. It should end up looking like this. If you couldn't guess by now, these are gonna be our pretzel bites. Now I'm gonna teach you how to form the traditional pretzel shape. First, roll out your dough into a long strip. Now, you're simply just gonna wrap your dough like this. Now that we have our 2 types of pretzels, we can move on to the next step. Water is at a boil. We're gonna add our pretzels. I don't exactly know what this tool's name is, but I'm using this to lower them in. Keep your pretzels in there for about 45 seconds, flipping halfway through, and take them out and put them on your baking sheet. After the 45 seconds, make sure to strain this as best as you can. With that egg wash that we made earlier in the video, go ahead and brush it over your now cooked pretzels. Whoopsie, it's a bubbler. Yeah, make sure to pop the bubbles because I do like rising very fast. Go over your brushed pretzels and sprinkle some salt on there. Not that much salt, that's way too much salt. A little bit less salt than that. It's really hard to measure salt through a camera. When cutting the pretzels, make sure they're pretty thin or they're gonna become pretzel mouthfuls instead of pretzel bites. Now that our dish is lined, we're gonna put this in the oven for about 9 minutes or until golden brown. They're looking just about done. The pretzel's finally done. It looks delicious. Let's try it. Look at this. These are gas, guys. I dropped the Nick GGV on blah, 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 blah voice. Dude, these are good. I surprised myself today. These are actually so good, boy. These are super good. Seriously, these are gas. I'm gaslighting you right now, actually. These are good. You don't believe me? They're good. I've made pretzels so many times before in the past, and these by far are the best. And I thought they were gonna be the worst. If you guys wanna see more food content like this, drop a like, drop a subscription. I'd always say subscription. Comment down below what you want me to make next. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.